sorry if we're beating up the monkey you gave me. Poor Mona. She's all stinky later.
You see that? It's Mona. Look. Hey, go, Manny. Look. Put this on his face.
You got some skills then. Car.
Show him the car.
Look at that car right there. Look at how ugly and everything. Okay, good. Smart. He's gonna get mad. William, don't get mad at this. William, don't get mad at this, okay?
When you break a here.
So what do you want to say to the camera?
I'm having fun beating up a monkey.
Okay. It's like you're acting like that's Wilma right now. William, I'm so sorry, but these girls want to beat you up. I see.